I've found a way to earn $100 a day without any special skills and has already gotten me thousands of dollars. Yup, you heard that right. After researching these 3 Fiverr gigs, I've laid it all out in simple steps. You too can earn as much or even more if you stick with all the steps which I'll guide you through. By the end of the video, you should be able to 1. Create a Fiverr account, 2. Provide mockup services, 3. Remove backgrounds from images, and 4. Give feedbacks on websites. Before I spill the beans on how to do this, drop a comment down below telling me your location, like I'm from blank, aka your country, with your goal of how much money you want to make online. This way, I'll know exactly where our viewers are from. And trust me, it'll help me tailor all my future videos for all of our subscribers. Also, don't forget, I've got some bonus tips coming your way later that can help you rake in double or even triple the cash compared to others. So make sure to stick around and watch till the end. Now, let's get started. Head on over to Fiverr.com and hit that join button. You can sign up using Facebook, Google, or your email. Once you're all signed up, your dashboard will look something like this. On Fiverr, you can find all sorts of services, from graphic designing to digital marketing, video and animation, programming, and so much more. When you type in logo design in the search box on Fiverr, you'll be greeted with over 250,000 gigs offering logo design services. Crazy, right? And since this is the first page of the service, you'll stumble upon tons of gigs boasting over 1,000 reviews. Take a trip down to the bottom of the page and click on page number 10 and you'll end up here. Even on this page, sellers are still racking up over 1,000 reviews. And you know what that means? They're pocketing anywhere from 15 to 20 grand. So, whether you're sitting pretty on the first page or not, it doesn't really matter, because the Fiverr gigs I'm about to show you have super low competition, meaning you'll be raking in that cash on Fiverr in no time. Let's talk about the top gig to score cash on Fiverr, mockups. When you punch in mockup in the search bar, Fiverr has about 9,000 gigs for this gig. And guess what? That's actually lower than the average gigs in other categories. Now, take a peek at the prices. Some are offering these services for just $5, while others are charging $10 or even $35 per mockup service. And check this out. One gig right here has managed to get over 1,000 reviews. Not everyone leaves feedback, so that means they've probably sold way more than 1K. We can assume that they've pocketed at least 15 grand from this single gig alone. They've also got 3 different plans with varying prices. So if they're selling at an average price of $15 and have more than 3K sales, they've easily reached the $45,000 mark. So what's cool about mockup services is that you're basically slapping other people's designs onto various products. Take these t-shirts design for example. You don't need any fancy editing or design skills for this because you can just hop over to a site like placeit.net. They've got tons of templates for mockups. Just add the logos and designs with a simple click. For t-shirt mockups, just hover over to the mockup section and hit up apparel category. You've got hats, hoodies, sweatshirts, and of course t-shirts galore. Let's say you want to add your own cool design to this tee right here. Just click on it, let it load, and on the left side, you'll pop in your image according to the size guide. After you upload the design, you can tweak it however you like and get a preview of how it'll look. Once you're happy, hit that download button up top, and now your design's ready to rock. If you're not interested in getting the free trials on placeit.net, just hop on Google and search for free t-shirt mockups. There are plenty of sites like freepic.com for you to use. Once customers come in, place their design onto the shirt or clothing they fancy. Grab that final mockup image and ship it off to your customer. Before we get into the second gig, if you're digging this video that I've poured my time and energy into, I'd really appreciate it if you could smash that like button and hit subscribe with notifications on. Let's aim for 500 likes. And if we hit that goal, I'll drop another video soon to show you more cool ways to make money online from the comfort of your home. If this is the first video you've seen from us, go ahead and check out our other content to find other fortune tips suitable for you. For the second gig, you're gonna want to search for background remover on Fiverr. You'll find other offering this service for around $5. That's the standard rate, and many of them have racked up thousands of reviews, translating to over 5 grand in earnings. Assuming they've only sold the basic package. Even if it's just $5, that's still some serious cash for one simple task. Just like our first gig, you don't even need Photoshop skills for this. I'll also hook you up with a website where you can remove backgrounds for free online. I'm going to recommend a website called remove.bg. Once you're on their homepage and signed up, just click on Upload Image, toss in the pic your customer wants the background removed from, and wait a few seconds. Remove.bg does all the heavy lifting for you with just one click. Not many people know about these handy tools, which is why they're hitting up Fiverr for this service. Once the background is removed flawlessly, simply hit the download button and save the image to your device. Then, head back to Fiverr and deliver it to your customer. If there are any glitches with your image, like if you still spot some background lingering, just hit the edit button. From there, you can tweak everything, erase or restore parts of the photo, or even add a different background if your customer wants. Once you've finished and everything looks good, you can send it over to your clients on Fiverr. The final Fiverr gig we're looking at is website testing. If you search for it on Fiverr, you'll find fewer than 2,500 services offered, so competition is pretty low. Unlike the other gigs we've discussed, website testing doesn't require any prior experience or skills. Plus, you don't need to own a website yourself to do this gig. Essentially, website owners or developers seek your genuine review and feedback on their websites. They turn to platforms like Fiverr and a bunch of other freelancer platforms to purchase website testing services. All they do is provide you with their website link, and your job is to browse through it and share your honest thoughts. You'll let them know about everything from the colors and design to the functionality of buttons, pointing out what works and what doesn't. Just cruise through the website and give them your straight-up thoughts. Just be honest. That's what they're shelling out for. That's the only thing you gotta do to pocket around 20 bucks, 30 bucks, or even a cool 100 bucks per website you check out. Simply open up a site and shoot them straight with your opinions. It's as easy as that, and it's also known as user testing. If you're interested in maximizing your earnings with these gigs, you can offer the same services on various other freelancing sites like People Per Hour, Upwork, Freelancer, and others. This way, you'll snag more orders quickly and ramp up your cash flow. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button below. It's a small gesture, but it means the world to us and helps us keep bringing you more awesome content like this. And hey, while you're at it, why not hit subscribe too? That way, you'll be the first to know about all the latest tips, tricks, and opportunities to make money online. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Thanks for joining us on Fortune Innovators, where we make making money online an everyday reality. Until next time, happy earning!